Truck drivers, I know it's not easy to find a job as a newly licensed truck driver. So here's a list of companies that may hire you as a newly licensed driver. Number 1, Transforce International. Number 2, Bison. Number 3, Team. Number 4, Transex. Number 5, Day & Ross. Number 6, Arnold Bros. And lastly, number 7, Challenger Motor Freight. Now, I got this information from reading driver forums and actually going through the comments of other drivers and seeing how they got their first trucking job. Unfortunately, ET Transport does not recruit newly licensed drivers, but hopefully this list helps you. Now, I'm sure that there's a lot of other companies that are recruiting newly licensed drivers, so make sure you're reading the comments below because it will guide you in the right direction.